The ThreeTrees architecture is a concept in source control management systems. Basically, the three trees are the repository. Here it's called the head in this picture. The index, which is the staging area, and then the working directory. Now, I don't know how useful this concept is, but I'm making this video just so that if I hear the term ThreeTrees architecture for Git, I'll know what that term refers to. Okay? Now, there's the repository, the staging area, and the working directory where all the files for the project are that I'm working in currently. Okay? Now, what would happen is a project gets checked out from the repository that's on my computer, in the .git folder. Okay? It gets checked out. It becomes what I have in the working directory. Then I make changes to the working directory by creating new files or editing files. Then the files that I want to commit, I will stage them. The ones that I'm not ready to commit, I don't stage them. They can just stay in my working directory. They may become like orphaned or something. I don't know what it is, but we'll talk about that later. Anyways, so after it's the files that have changed and I want to commit have been staged, then I commit them to the repository. Now, the term head here refers to what the head is pointing to, because as I will probably learn later, is that a repository is not just a single repository. It's not a single tree of files that are being tracked. It could be, the term conceptually can refer to several trees because each one represents a branch of the repository. Okay, the repository can have different versions of it. Okay, like there may be a development version, a production version, a testing version. All those would fall under the category hidden behind this word head. Okay, and I think what happens is we check one of them out. Actually, saying checking out is the wrong terminology. It's more like switching heads. And then that becomes the head, and that represents the repository. And keep in mind, when I say the repository here, I'm just talking about the repository that's on my local machine in my project folder. I'm not even, all of this stuff I just talked about, I haven't even begun to mention what may be on a remote Git server, or what may be in another developer's version on his computer of the whole repository. Okay, this is all related to what's on my own computer.